Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most exciting new ways to earn a passive income online. AI-powered text-to-image prompts. If you're not familiar with text-to-image prompts, they're basically sentences of text that are fed into complex AI models like DALL-E, ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney to produce a desired output, like an image of a certain object in a certain style. And the best part is, you don't even need to know how to code or have any technical skills to get started with these prompts. All you need is an internet connection and a little bit of creativity. So, in this video, we're going to be exploring the world of text-to-image prompts, and how you can use them to earn a stable passive income on PromptBase. What is PromptBase? PromptBase is a marketplace for buying and selling text-to-image prompts. If you're a prompt engineer, you can create and sell your own prompts on the platform, and earn a commission on every sale. And if you're a buyer, you can browse through hundreds of different prompts, and find the perfect one for your project. But why would anyone want to buy a text-to-image prompt, you might ask? Well, there are a few different reasons. For one, creating a good prompt can be time-consuming and difficult, especially if you're new to the world of AI. And even if you do know what you're doing, finding the right prompt for a specific project can be a challenge. That's where PromptBase comes in. It makes it easy for buyers to find high-quality, reliable prompts, and for prompt engineers to make money by selling their work. The benefits of selling prompts. Now, let's talk about why you might want to sell your own prompts on PromptBase. First of all, it's a great way to earn a passive income. Once you create a prompt and list it for sale on the platform, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in. And the more prompts you create, the more money you can potentially earn. Plus, creating prompts can be a fun and rewarding creative outlet. It's a way to flex your creative muscles, and see the amazing things that AI can do. And finally, selling prompts can be a great way to build your reputation in the AI community. If you create high-quality, reliable prompts, buyers will take notice, and you'll start to build a following. Alright, that's it for today's video. In the next part, we'll dive deeper into how to create your own text-to-image prompts using DALL-E, GPT, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney. Stay tuned. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, PromptBase is a great platform for both buyers and prompt engineers looking to make money and build a stable passive income using AI tools like DALL-E, GPT, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI tools and how to make money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.